The Nitro Dave's family of companies would like to wish you and yours a happy Thanksgiving. Now that your belly is stuffed, let's get on to what you're really thankful for. Nitro Dave's Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is all about saving you money. From November 10th through December 1st, retail customers can take 15% off on all Nitrous Outlet, X Series, Flo Supply, and 860 Performance products only, using code BFCM15. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your ride and take advantage of great savings from Nitro Dave's.